Hello children, see on the board. This is problem number 8. What is given here? Determinant of a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube is equal to this result we have to show here. It's a simple one, like 7th problem given. LHS I am taking. Take the determinant a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. Now you just check in the determinant any row or any column. Is there any number is common or not? So I'll tell you, if I see the row a, b, c, 3 are different elements, we cannot take any number common. In the second row also same, in the third row also same. Now see the column wise, a square, a cube means here 1a present, here 2a's, here 3a's. So I can write taking a common from C1, b common from C2, C common from C3. When I am taking A common from C1, what happened you see here? A, B common means B, C common means C. Now write down the determinant. Now check. When you are taking A common from this, what happened? In place of A, only one is there, A is there, no? So 1, A square means 1A, A cube means A square. Now, similarly, 1B, B square, B square, 1 C square. Already I said you, whenever you are getting ones in the determinant, in the previous problem we are having ones in the column, so that we done over there row operations. Here ones are present in row, check it, 1 1 1 present in R1 means present in row, then which operations we have to do? Column operations. Okay, C1, C2, C3 we have to use. From that again we have to fix C1. You should not disturb C1. So automatically C2, C3 gonna change now. Now see how to write. You can write like this, not a problem. If you can't write, not a problem. On applying, C2 tends to C2 minus C1. What I am doing here? From C2 I am subtracting C1. So do one thing, do the rough work column wise only. First I am writing C2, 1 B square, then C1 I am writing 1 A square. I want to do minus in between C2 and C1, minus is there, no? So the resultant matrix, the resultant answer 1 minus 1, 0, b minus a, that is b minus a, b square minus a square, in between that minus is there, no? So b square minus a square. This is the rough work. So these three, 0, b minus a, b square minus a square, where I have to write? In place of C2. When you are doing column operations, write down the elements column wise, not row wise. Okay. Determinant ABC is there, ABC as it is. Which column is changed here? Only C2 means C1, C3 as it is. 1 A square, 1 C square. Both are same. Now I am writing C2. What is C2 here? 0 B minus A, B square minus A square. 0 B minus A, B square minus A square. Now what I have to do on applying? Now I want to change this C3 here. So C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Now do the rough work. So what is the rough work here? First I have to write C3. 1 C square. Then I have to write C1. 1 A square. In between that minus minus minus. So that is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. This is C minus A. This is C square minus A square. This resultant numbers where I have to write in place of C3. So see on the board, ABC, determinant 1a square. Now which one is changed here? Only C3. So C1, C2 actually 0, b minus a, b square minus a square, then 0, c minus a, c square minus a square. These three I am writing in place of C3. Now the thing is, we have to see what is common. See in C2, b minus a is there, b square minus a square formula you know, b minus a into b plus a means one b minus a is there. C square minus a square means c minus a into c plus a, one c minus a is there. So what I am writing here, taking what I have to common, what I have to take common here, taking b minus a common, b minus a common from where? From C2. Taking c minus a common from where? C3, C2 and C3. Now see how to write a, b, c, b minus a is taking common. So b minus a is write down, c minus a also write down. Now write down the determinant. Column wise we have to write because we are applying column operations here. C2 is C3 gonna change 1 a square, 0 0 only. B minus a you have taken common already in that place 1. In b square minus a square you have taken common b minus a means what is the remaining one here? B plus a. Similarly here 0 is as it is. So b in place of c minus a I am writing 1. Here c plus a is left. Now how to do the determinant here? Through which row we are doing the determinant? Through R1. Through R1. So do the determinant. Do the determinant with respect to C1, with respect to C1. So that is ABC, B minus A, C minus A, 1 into bracket start, AD minus BC. So the next first one is 1 into C plus A minus. Whenever you are writing minus, after minus you have to take bracket, small bracket, 1 into B plus A, that is B plus A. So ABC, B minus A, C minus A, 1 into C plus A multiply with minus B minus A, plus A minus A cancel. What you will get? ABC, B minus A, C minus A, it is C minus B. Write down in the order, automatically two brackets will be changed, so minus will gets cancelled, you will get positive number. So here only I am writing the answer, ABC into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, RHS. So in determinants, second problem also over. Go through this video 2-3 times. Slowly you see step wise, one after one. Then you can understand easily. These are most important for common examination. Thank you all. See you in the next video. Hello everyone. See on the board. Problem number 9. Show that B plus C, C plus A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Here A, B, C is given. This one we have to show. Simple problem. Very simple problem. See on the board. Given LHS I am writing. B plus C, C plus A plus B, then A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B, C. See, in the first row we are having sum of two numbers like B plus C. This is sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers. Here also same thing given. But when you see in the last row, we are having single alphabets. Use this one make R2 as a single alphabet. It is very easy. See, A is here, A is here, A minus A gets cancelled, only B is left here. So now I am going to change R2. On applying, I want to change R2 now, so that I am writing R2. R2 tends to R2 minus, which one I am using? This A. This is belongs to R3. R2 minus R3. B plus C, C plus A plus B. Now R2 is changed now, that afterwards we are writing A, B, C. Now we have to do the rough work. First I am writing R2, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, R2. Then minus R3, A, B, C, A, B, C. Minus, minus, minus. See, minus A plus A gets cancelled. Minus B plus B gets cancelled. Minus C plus C gets cancelled. What are the remaining letters here? B, C, A. That I have to write in place of R2. B, C, A. Over. Now, which one we have to change? R1. On applying, R1 tends to, see here, now these two you just see, B gets cancelled. So R1 minus R2. So R1 is going to change now. So see here everybody, R1 is going to change now. Next to as it is we are writing B, C, A, B, C determinant. What is the rough work? First of all I am writing R1, B plus C, C plus A plus B. From R2, B, C, A, B, C, A. You are subtracting, no? So minus B, minus C, minus A. C plus B, minus B, plus C, minus C, plus A, minus A, cancel. What are the remaining letters here? Here plus C, here plus A, here plus B. That I am writing in place of R1, C, A, B. Our problem is completed. Like what? Single letters are coming. Single letters are already came. A, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, C. Now do the determinant. It is very easy. Select first row. C. Do the determinant with respect to R1. See, through R1 we are doing the determinant. C into AD minus BC. C into C, C square minus A into B, AB. For middle number always we are taking opposite sign. So I am taking minus A. Eliminate the row and column. Row, column eliminated. B, A, C. B into C, B, C. Minus A into A square. The last letter is B. Eliminate the row and column. The remaining are B, C, A, B. Do AD minus BC. So that is nothing but B square minus AC. Multiply with C here. That is a C cube minus ABC. Multiply with minus ABC. Minus into minus plus A cube. A cube plus B into B square. B cube minus ABC. First you write down positive numbers. That is A cube plus B cube plus C cube, ABC minus 3ABC. RHS. Problem is over. Thank you all. See you in the next class. Hello everyone. See on the board. This is problem number 10. One determinant is given. First of all, I am writing given LHS. The determinant I am writing here. A square plus 2A, 2A plus 1, 1, 2A plus 1, A plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Now, see here we are having 3, 3, 1. We have to show A minus 1 whole cube here. And these 3 ones are present in column. Means which operation we have to do now? Opposite to column means row operations we have to do. Now I am applying row operations here. Concentrate on the board. On applying, R1 tends to, I am going to change R1 now, R1 tends to R1 minus R2. From R1 I am subtracting R2, okay. Means R1 is going to be changed, the remaining two are as it is, 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. R1 tends to R1 minus R2, rough work we are doing here. A square plus 2a, 2a plus 1, 1. Then R2 we have to write 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1. We are subtracting now. When we are subtracting, minus we have to keep here. When I am writing minus here, automatically this plus will become, okay, bracket I am taking, minus bracket, minus. You see here 1 minus 1, this is 0 automatically. When minus is getting inside, it is minus 2a, it is minus 1. So what happened? Minus 2a plus 2a cancel. Here minus a is there, here minus 2. So I am writing here it is minus 1. It is minus 1. A square minus 1. These are left here. Minus a, here plus 2a. 2a minus a. What happened? 2a minus a means that is a. It is minus 2. Because inside of the bracket we have to multiply with minus. Minus 2. Minus 2 here plus 1, here minus 2 means what? Minus 1. So this one we have to write in place of R1. A square minus 1, a minus 1, 0. Now on applying R2 tends to R2 minus R3. I am subtracting R3 from R2. R3 from R2. This one is completed. See what I have to write first. R2 I have to write first. 2a plus 1. Then I am writing a plus 2. Then I am writing 1. Minus R3. That is what? 3, 3, 1. Minus no? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 1. 2a as it is. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. A as it is. Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is where I have to write in place of R2. R2. Okay, here I am writing the determinant. A square minus, here nothing is there, no, means 1 is there, no, we can write 1 square. And a minus 1, 0. Then in place of R2 we have to write this one. 2a minus 2, a minus 1, 0. This one also completed. Then 3, 3, 1. One small arrangement is there. See here everybody. A square minus 1 square, a square minus b square formula. We can write a minus 1 into a plus 1. This is a minus 1, 0. Here I am taking 2 common. Then you will get a minus 1, a minus 1, 0. 3, 3, 1. Now you tell me what I have to write here. Taking a minus 1 common from R1 and R2. You check it. From R1 also we can take a minus 1 common. From R2 also we can take a minus 1 common. Look here, I am going to take a minus 1 when I am taking 2 times common. So that is nothing but a minus 1 whole square. What are the remaining things? When I am taking a minus 1 comma here, the left one is a plus 1. Here nothing is there means 1, 0. It is 2, it is 1, it is 0, it is 3, it is 3, it is 1. We are getting double 0 here. So it is called C3. Do the determinant with respect to C3. C3. Same thing. A minus 1 whole square 1 into AD minus BC, because row and column deleted, we are using these 4 elements. A plus 1 into 1, that is a plus 1, 2 into 1, 2, that is minus 2. a minus 1 whole square into plus 1 minus 2, that is nothing but what you know, a minus 1. So, a minus 1 whole cube RHS. So, this problem also completed. Do the practice perfectly and write down the exam in a confident manner. Okay, go through the videos number of times, it is easy for you. Okay, thank you all the best for the coming exam.